What's up everyone, it's Olly, Olly My Garage. I'm going to stop doing that because probably by now hopefully you know who I am. Or maybe I won't, we'll see. Anyway, cool, right, today I'm going to be talking about the C63 204 AMG. We're going to talk about the estate, saloon, 2-door, 4-door, any kind of door. So what we made for it is we fabricated and prototyped our own wide arch body kit for the rear end of these. Okay, so the reason why we've done this is because there was a high demand of the rear end of these being really thin, and I think we can all agree that they are compared to the front. What we're doing with our own kit, we've managed to extend the rear track by up to 50 millimeters. The original tyre is a 255 and the wheel J is 9.5. We've taken it to either a 295 tyre or a 305 tyre with up to 11.5 J wheel. So a big difference, especially with guys that are now running superchargers. I mean, the car alone's got massive amount of power without the supercharger, but with the supercharger even more. So we've managed to be able to get more rubber to the ground, which is making a huge difference. Also with our kit, what we need to do is upgrade the suspension. We use the KW Variant 3, it's very good. We can set the whole car up, ride height, rebound, compression, so it works very well with the kit. We also always recommend upgrading your wheels and tyres because we don't like to run spacers. So again, you have to buy a full new set of wheels and tyres so it fits the cars perfectly, but we give you all of that information because we've done it many times. But also, we have loads of questions about doing this upgrade to this vehicle, and by doing this video, you'll be able to watch it, check it out, and if you do, you can like and subscribe. Anyway, let's talk about the kit. I'm gonna go to the back of the car, Danny's gonna follow me. Features looking cool. And look at this lovely setting. So as you can see, this is a estate version. This kit gets sold throughout the entire world, which is fantastic. Australia we've gone to, lots to America, Switzerland as well I think, so yeah, it's super cool. We have sold it and people have had problems fitting it. So if you do live abroad, hopefully this video will help because we're going to give you a run through all the way through. The kit comes in 4 pieces. This one goes to the bumper, the rear bumper. 2 upper bits, this one goes to the rear quarter, the smaller piece here goes to the rear door, and the small section there goes onto the sill. So I'm going to hold this piece up so you can get an idea of actually how wide it is. It's going to give you a really good idea actually how far it comes out. I can say 50 mil, but you know, you don't really get the vibe from it. So anyway, Pete grabs that bit. So if you can see with Danny filming, currently where it sits, but with the arch on, so to give you some idea how far it comes out. So it's a massive difference and it makes the car look super cool, which is really important on these. Also what we do, when we do fit them, this entire section we cut out because we don't want any interference at all with the new wheels and tyres. If you don't cut them correctly with the new wheels and tyres, the arch will come down and cut straight through the tyre. We've seen other body shops do that and get it wrong, so don't do that unless you want to buy loads of tyres. So that's it, that's the kit. You can buy on our shop, we ship it everywhere, so if you want to give it a go yourself, excellent. If you want us to do it, just give us a call, we can run it down through prices and any other questions you have. The other thing we get asked loads of questions about is the bonnet vents we do. So I'm going to go down to the bonnet and give you a run through about that as well. Cool, okay, so bonnet vents, again, we fit the genuine Mercedes bonnet vents, which are the Black Series 204s. The reason being we fit them is because if you go out and buy a Black Series bonnet, which is carbon fibre, it's a fortune. So what we do is we take the original Mercedes vents, the clips and everything else, we cut into your bonnet, we fold the bonnet so it is OE, then we fit the vents with all the clips, we do the underside so it does look OE once we're finished. It's a really nice job. Obviously we paint through the bonnet and also we paint through the tops of the wings if we have to get a perfect colour match. It's not a 5-minute job, it's quite a long process. So again, we're going to show you what we do. So on the video, it's going to give you really good information about how it's done and how it looks afterwards, because we've seen loads of pictures with them. But I can tell you now they are very good. But again, the video will show you what it's about. if you want any more information at all, so give us a shout. We can give you costings or any help at all. So there you have it, guys. That's the run through on the C63 AMG GBG kit and bonnet vents. If you want any more information, please just give us a shout or an email. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe, like, check us out, and see what we do in the future. So thanks very much. Peace.